In this video, I'll be discussing friction. Friction is defined as like the resistance that an individual or an object experiences when moving across uh, a distance or is broken up from whatever is impeding it. There are two types of it. There's static and dynamic. Typically, static friction is going to be higher because you have to break the inertia that the object is experiencing, which is zero. And then whenever it's moving, it's easier to keep it going, so the friction is lower. This is expressed mathematically by friction is equal to R times the coefficient of friction, or I mean, it's force times the coefficient of friction, and force is whatever the force is that you're applying on it, which is mass times acceleration, equal to whatever the coefficient of friction is. That's also a unitless uh, coefficient because it's just expressing how much friction something is experiencing. And so for our lab, there were two different friction examples because we were pushed for the grass on the field because there were that's where they were pushing it across, and so the first one was 0.22 for the dynamic and 0.28 for the static. So the difference between them is that one is pushing actively, it's like kinetic, and the other one is potential energy because it's stored.